Hey guys, welcome to the full stack Mernt roadmap. So this is not just Mernt stack because we will cover full stack. Full stack means we'll cover HTML, CSS, deployments. Because if you are a Mernt stack, you just also know like HTML, CSS also. It's not required in every day like you are building a web design. But if you go to interview, they'll ask you like about HTML, CSS. You should know about HTML, CSS also anyhow, guys. And if you think that Munstack is too tough, I can't do it. So take example of me. I was never a good student. Like I just got a YB like year back in my first year only, but I did worked hard and it was very well. So this roadmap is of 5 months basically, but if depends on student to students, and I mean employee to employee if you are an employee. But this 5 month also depends on the number of hours you are giving per day. And this 5 hours I have made like if you are giving just 3 to 4 hours daily, like maybe 8 to 11 at night or in the morning, like 3 to 4 hours daily. And if you are giving 10 hours daily, then maybe you complete in 2 months or 2.5 months. So it depends, but in a nutshell, if you are normal student, normal person giving 3 to 4 hours daily, then you will probably complete in 5 months and you'll be very well. So let's just start. So firstly you have to study HTML, and in HTML you have to give 10 days. So in HTML I have given 10 days. It's little extra. Why? Because you will learning from the first time, because suppose you don't know anything, you will be learning HTML for the first time. So 10 days will be enough. A little HTML, how tags are used, 3 4 hours a day, and you will very well will be reversed. Okay, then it comes for the css 10 days, because css a little harder also. So 10 days will be enough. But when you keep on working on website, making website, then it doesn't matter how much you know, then you will know in the flow only. Then it comes for the web design. Now you have learned HTML, CSS. Okay, now make a little web design. I mean, it may be the worst, but just make it like you can see a little nav bar. Then you can have some pictures and scroll down some menus like a normal website. And 3 days for that, because I have already given you 10 days plus 10 css, 20 days. Then 3 days will be enough for web design. See, I'm giving so much time in everything, so you just don't put pressure on yourself. Okay, I have to do, because I have seen, experienced my own self. When you pressure yourself, okay, I have just to keep on studying 10 hours a day, you never do. Believe me, you never do. I mean, 90% of the guys, they can't. They only can't give like 3 4 hours a day. That's it, because this is our human nature. So that's why I have made it easily study and for 5 months. Now after web design, you'll get JavaScript. The JavaScript gonna take a lot of time, like 15 days, but you have to study this JavaScript thoroughly. Believe me guys, because with JavaScript, React.js, Node.js, Vue.js, AngularJS, I mean there are so many frameworks just with JavaScript. So you have to concentrate on JavaScript because their basics is JavaScript only. Okay, whether you can cut time in like HTML, CSS, okay, no problem, but don't cut in JavaScript. At least give 15 days, build something like games, smaller games. And if you want to give more days to JavaScript, you should, I think you can give 30 days also, because JavaScript will help you further only. Suppose you are giving 5 days extra to CSS, but CSS won't help you that much if you give that 5 days to JavaScript, because JavaScript very necessary guy, because you will be working on JavaScript only in React, Node, Express, whatever. Okay, after giving like 15 days, or maybe if you want more or less, whatever you want, then we'll move forward to a website. Then you have to make a dynamic website. Now you'll be like, okay, you haven't tell me about like database, then how I make a dynamic website. Dynamic website means like whose data changes. So when you'll study JS, you will know how to fetch an API, use that method and fetch an API and show the data. There are a lot of free APIs. It will take like around 8 days if you give 3 to 4 hours daily easily. In 8 days, complete dynamic website is ready. So now your website is ready. Now you can say, okay, I'm a like vanilla JavaScript developer. Vanilla means like simple JavaScript. Okay, I am vanilla JavaScript developer. Then you have to study Bootstrap. 3 days are enough because Bootstrap is like you study CSS. CSS, you have a lot of classes and lot of design and everything. A lot of properties are there. Then it makes your work lengthy. Bootstrap is little easy. Maybe there are hardly maybe 30 to 40 classes in Bootstrap, but hardly people use 10 classes maybe in a day. So just study 10 classes, that are enough, and you can just make a mini website in Bootstrap. Don't require to put JavaScript in that. Just make a mini website. 3 days, like a single page, doesn't matter. Give 3 days to Bootstrap. Okay, then come Node.js. Now 10 days for Node.js studying. See, Node.js will be different from JavaScript. Okay, now here I'm not talking about Express.js. Give 10 days just to Node.js, because in Node.js, when Node.js comes from the first time, there was their own method of building APIs, like HTTP server, how to build APIs. Use that way, like file handling and like a lot of like buffering, everything. Just give those days to Node.js only. 10 days, nothing, not touching a single thing in Express.js. Give 10 days to Node.js. Okay, see, I'm slowly decreasing the time because you are getting already know JavaScript, so Node.js won't be that hard, but it's totally different apart from syntax. So study Node.js, build APIs in Node.js. Then after 10 days, study Express.js in 5 days. Why 5 days? Because in the first 10 days you already know how to make an API using like just Node.js. Now you know how to make an API. When Express.js comes, it will be very easy for you. Just like take 5 days and study Express.js, make a lot of websites, or I mean APIs. Okay, and now make a CRUD API. Give 5 days to make a CRUD API in Express. Now you'll be like, okay, I have made a CRUD API in Express, but where's the database? You haven't told me to study database yet. So in Node.js, you study file handling. So use file handling methods. Suppose creating file, reading from the file, updating the file, deleting the file. Because any project you do that are basically CRUD. You create something, you read something, you update something, you delete something. Everything is CRUD only. So give 5 days with Express. Make a CRUD API in Express.js and test it with Postman. Postman is like a app for testing APIs. You'll know, just a little Google search will help you out. Then give 5 days to it. After that, you have to study database. Now comes for the database. 5 days for MongoDB. Okay, 5 days are enough, and I'll suggest in those 5 days, 1 day you should give to SQL, or some people call it SQL, because see, MongoDB is there, but there are a lot of things they are still built up in SQL and they are still used, and there are a lot of projects like where I mean SQL has to be used because SQL manage these relations very well as compared to MongoDB or NoSQL. So just give 1 day to study SQL, so you should give any interview or go somewhere, you can understand, okay, what is this. Okay, give 1 day to SQL, 4 days to MongoDB. Then now make a CRUD API using MongoDB database. Previously it was file, just replace the file and put your database code. Okay, that's it, and 5 days are enough for that. Enough, maybe that's a 1 day work, but I am giving 5 days because you can't constantly study like every 5 days, 3 days, 5 days. Like suppose you study for 2 days, then you will maybe take a break for 1 day, and you don't want to study. Maybe someday you give just 1 hour, because that's human nature. Don't think I will study like 8 hours a day. You can't, because that's something inbuilt in us. But yeah, if you want, you can do every day 14 hours. That's human brain also. So after that, now comes to React.js. 15 days, you already know HTML, CSS, what do you call, JavaScript. So now React.js won't take much time. You know how to make components. 15 days are enough. Then it comes for CRUD app. Now make a CRUD app in MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js. So React will be front end. Node will be backend server, Express you will be using to make APIs, MongoDB as a database, and make a CRUD app normal. Create like any profile data, you can just Google and found a lot of videos like in my channel only, but you can use any channel. 5 days are enough. Now make a MERN app. Just give 25 days to make a web application. See, in this web application, I'm not telling you to make a big website like you have a login feature, then you have like Amazon type clone, you are selling something, you are buying, you are adding to cart. Don't. Just a normal blog website. You know blog? You just create a blog, study a blog, delete, edit. That's it. Just a normal website, and 25 days are enough. I have given 25 days because don't try to like see some tutorial and then do. Just do by yourself. If you stuck somewhere, Google it. Okay, how to do this? Okay, on Stack Overflow, I got this. That's how you learn. Okay, that's basically how I learned React Node, because I didn't know React and Node. I just, believe me guys, I just directly started making the projects. In projects, I everything came okay. I just studied Stack Overflow only. How to do this, how to do authentication, how to build an API, how to make headers, how to make this, everything just Google. Give 25 days, make a normal website, just normal, like a blogging app, not very much complicated. After that, 15 days to extra stuff, suppose JWT for authentication, validation is different from verification, so please Google and search what it is. Then TypeScript, see, TypeScript can take a lot of time also, but maybe 2 days just to get to know the basics. So if you read some code of some people or maybe something written in TypeScript, so you should know, okay, this is what they are trying to say. Then Swagger is not that much necessary, but it will hardly take 1 or 2 days. You can, it's for use for making API docs. Then deployments, maybe just a 1 day work, deploy somewhere like in like what do you call Heroku or Netlify. Okay. Then Redux is little bit hard, so don't try to study with React. Firstly study React, make a project, then only go to Redux is really tough. In whole React, I struggled with Redux, and it's not the case with me, it's the case with everyone struggle with Redux. Study Redux in the end. Okay, now this is the whole roadmap, but if you want to follow, you can guys. You are very much like welcome, but yeah, this is what I think. You 5 months are enough if you get 3 4 hour daily and you take a break also. Sometimes you study 1 hour only, that will be enough. 5 months will be okay. If you want to study, you can come to my channel and study few stuff also, or go to any other channel. So this was it in this part guys. Thank you.